you talking about? Don't make me pull out this Glock.
I don't know what color.
Man, y'all come buy the merch, man. We got hats.
A black.
I ain't got no type of.
Put on right now. What hat I'm gonna have to give him, man?
We got hats, shirts.
Shirts.
A black shirt.
Black shirts. Black shirts.
Got shirts,
20.
black shirts. Ain't got no hoodies. Too hot for hoodies.
Ain't it? You want one right now?
Yeah, ain't too hot.
You want a hoodie?
Nah, I ain't buying no money.
1A. I don't know what size hat he finna need, y'all.
Who?
That big dude over there.
They ain't no
Chorizo?
I'm gonna give him this one, man. It's blue.
It's a
Snapback.
yeah, snapback.
Yeah, he'll work that. He look like he'll rock a snapback.
Who made this look?
Have a drop.
I need to get something made for
Yeah, you're right. Everybody get back tire from the Pro Mod. I think it's 6 cars. He giving 6 small tire cars the back tire.
Damn, he giving all them.
Yeah, I need some stuff in my box.
Yeah, it was 103 to. Oh, damn, I still left that goddamn shirt. I keep moving too fast, y'all. My bad, y'all. If they new shirts, no, they the same one. Just a regular lookout. Lookout. I just gave you a little black one. What size you wear anyway?
Huh?
What size is you? XL. We're gonna go back and look for the XL. I think I'm out of the XL. I got a lot of large though.
Give you one of them.
I just got a little scooter, y'all. I got me a scooter. Damn, did I ever? I still ain't tie my shoe, y'all. I still didn't tie my shoe. Dang. Let me go give him this. Dang. Let me go give him a boy this shirt.
All right, we got some tailgate guys already back in line. Like I said, race fans, we have
Pro Mod.
double enter.
Print your own lookout sticker and send me.
You can't just turn those guys
I just did a check on getting some new I just checked on getting some new stickers made. Think we gonna get some 3x5s. I was trying to figure out.
Tailgate class gonna be followed by big time.
Hey. Mira. Hey, will that fit? You want it red? Yeah, you can open it up a little bit. Let you check. Yeah, open it up. Here, I'll be right back. It's 20. 20, bank that. You need one too?
I got my fitted, boys.
Okay, I got fitted hats too. What you wear? Size 7.5?
7.25.
And a quarter, that quarter hard. I should have bought a lot of them.
7.5.
Okay, I got one for you, man. I got your size. Fitted.
7.25.
I ain't got that quarter, man. I got that 7.5 though. I got that half. Let me see. It's time. Look out! Got my boy. Appreciate it, man. Boom, man. I sure appreciate y'all supporting me.
Rest of the chicken. Yep. And that's what they made from for real
The
shit.
fuck?
Yep.
Real chicken
right
feathers.
there. Yes, sir.
And they just as comfortable as those shoes you got on your feet.
Hey,
I bet.
you ever been to the bazaar right there off here, off 30 and Buckner, right there on the corner?
Let me see some. Oh, them stickers. It's time to get them. Oh, I'm finna, boy. It's time to do a lot of stuff right now. I'm ready to get some bucanas, get these stickers, tie my shoes. Got a lot going on right now. Got a lot going on. Look out. You ready?
Ready what, man?
To see some racing?
Yeah, man.
Okay, they ready. You ready?
I've been here 4
I got them
hours
stickers.
and just seen 1 hour race.
I got the stickers. I got the stickers. We ready? Where did I put them in? Dang, I can't even find them.
You done lost them.
But I brung them though. Hold on, I got all this stuff in my pocket.
Well, okay, then you need some more pockets.
Yeah, I need some more pockets.
Pockets I did.
Dang, oh here they go right here.
Oh, he found them. Oh, that's the wrong set.
Yeah, I done put this right here. Here you go. Boom, we got the stickers right here.
What kind of sticker?
The Lookout Racing stickers.
Man, let me see what the hell.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm trying to get him out of there. Here you go. Boom. Thank you. Thank you. She gonna be subscribing to my YouTube channel, y'all. Look Out Racing. They gonna be on there. Let me see who else. You on there too? Oh yeah, you should get on there, man. You should get on there. I got me some more Skittles left.
So what I need to do to get on?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, man, we've been trying to get you on there.
That's it.
Been trying to get you there, my YouTube channel for a month now, man.
So put them in the business.
Yeah, man, I've been trying to get you to subscribe all that time, man.
Oh, here these fucking motherfuckers come. Here they come. Here they come.
Yeah. I'm trying to make sure you on there.
Yeah, you took a picture of me a while ago.
Yeah, I took a picture of you a while ago. Oh, that was you on there?
I better get away from you. You got 3 phones.
Yeah, yeah, I got 3 of them.
And with 9 cameras on each one of them.
Yeah. Okay, here go a grudge race, y'all. Midnight Performance versus Yoshi. Where y'all going? Yeah, Circle of Life. I need a secretary. Look out, look out.
What you betting on?
They said to go on that side. They said Midnight out of line. It looked like it. All my people on TikTok, make sure y'all come on to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. I'm putting it in the comments one more time. Look Out Racing. Don't be waiting until, what did he say? What was the name of his YouTube again? Look Out, look out. Look Out Racing.